Morning students, how are you? Welcome to Maths Class 5 Chapter 5 Fractions, Multiplication and Division Part 6 Division of Fraction. Today we will learn how to divide fractions. See, division of a whole number by a fraction. To divide 15 by 3, we find how many 3's are there in 15. You know students, division is a process of repeated subtraction. So to divide 15 by 3, we find how many 3's are there in 15. So 15 divided by 3 equal to 5. As there are 5 3's in 15. See, these are 15 flowers and make a group of 3. This way you can make a group of 3 and you are able to make how many groups? 5 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of 3 you can make. Similarly, we divide a whole number by a fraction. See, to divide 4 by 1 by 2, we find how many halves are there in 4. So, if you make halves of 4, you get half, 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 half. 1 whole means 2 halves. So, 4 whole means how many halves? 8 halves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 halves are there, students. So, there are 8 halves in 4. Thus, 4 divided by 1 by 2 equal to 8. We can also say that as there are 2 halves in 1 whole, there are 4 into 2 equal to 8 halves in 4 wholes. Thus, 4 divided by 1 by 2 is same as 4 into 2. So you saw students, 4 divided by 1 by 2 equal to 4 multiply by 2 means division converted into multiplication, and 1 by 2 converted into 2 means ki reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2. If you write reciprocal of 1 by 2, you will get 2. So you got a clue to divide. 1 equal to half plus half. 1 equal to half plus half. 1 equal to half plus half. If you have to multiply 2 halves, you will do 2 into 1 by 2 equal to 1. So students, you got a formula for division of fraction. First, change the sign of division to multiplication. And second, multiply the given whole number by the reciprocal of the fraction. This is the formula for multiplying dividing whole number by a fraction. Means ki whole number divided by fraction equal to whole number into reciprocal of fraction. तो क्या करना है स्टूडेंट्स, आप सिंपली इस एग्जाम्पल से देखिए. डिवाइड 16 बाई 1 अपॉन 4. सॉल्यूशन, 16 डिवाइडेड बाई 1 अपॉन 4 इक्वल टू 16 इंटू 4. वाई? Reciprocal of 1 by 4 is 4. So what you did? 16 you wrote as 16, whole number you written. First number is not changed. First number you write as it is. Change division sign into multiplication sign and divisor का रेसिप्रोकल आप लिख दीजिए. 1 by 4 का रेसिप्रोकल होता है 4. तो 16 into 4 इक्वल टू 64. So 16 divided by 1 by 4 equal to 16 into 4 equal to 64 is the answer. Similarly, 20 divided by 4 by 5 equal to 20 division sign changes to multiplication sign, and 4 by 5 changes to 5 by 4, means reciprocal of 4 by 5 is 5 by 4. So multiply whole number by reciprocal to divide whole numbers by fraction. So 20 into 5 by 4, 20 and 4 has common factor 4, so cancel it. 4 1 ja 4 and 4 5 ja 20 equal to 5 into 5 by 1 equal to 25 is the answer. Now you can see some questions from your exercise 5.3. question number 2, find the solution. Number A, 7 divided by 1 by 3. Solution: 7 divided by 1 by 3 equal to 7 multiplied by 3. Why? 7 you write as it is, divide sign changes to multiplication sign, and reciprocal of 1 by 3 is 3. So answer is 7 into 3 equal to 21. This is the answer. Means if you divide 7 by 1 upon 3, you will get 21. So always remember, opposite of division is multiplication. So you change division sign to multiplication sign and take the reciprocal of the divisor. One thing you will remember, always take reciprocal of second number, not the first number. First number you will write as it is. Okay, see this example, 22 divided by 2 by 5 equal to 22, write as it is, divided by changes to multiply by, 2 by 5 changes to 5 by 2, means ki reciprocal of 2 by 5 equal to 5 by 2. So 22 into 5 by 2. Now 22 and 2 has common factors, students. Common factor 2. It is both divisible by 2. 2 1 ja 2 and 2 11 ja 22. Now multiply numerator. Just like multiplication, you will do the division after changing. 11 into 5 equal to 55 is the answer. Now see one more question. Number E, 32 divided by 2 whole 1 by 3. So first write 32 divided by 2 whole 1 by 3 equal to 32 divided by, अभी इसको डिवीजन साइन को डिवीजन साइन ही रखिए, क्योंकि यहाँ 2 whole 1 by 3 इज अ मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन. सो फर्स्ट कन्वर्ट इट इनटू improper fraction. So 2 3 ja 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 by 3. Now don't change the sign first you convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. Write 32 divided by 7 by 3. Now in next step you will change the sign and take the reciprocal of 7 by 3. So 32 division sign changes to multiplication sign, and reciprocal of 7 by 3 is 3 by 7. Now see if there is common factor. No, there is no common factor of 32 and 7 and 3 and 7. So multiply it. 32 into 3 by 7. 32 into 3 96 by 7. But 96 is in improper fraction. You can convert it into mixed fraction. Divide 96 by 7 to get quotient 13. So 13 whole and remainder is 5. 5 by 7. 13 whole 5 by 7 is the answer. So this much for today, students. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.